Friends, today I want to share something from my heart with all of you. You are watching this video where we are making jackfruit juice, and it may look very easy on screen, but in reality, it is not that easy. Friends, making this juice takes a lot of time and hard work. First of all, we have to find a good, ripe jackfruit. Not every jackfruit is good. Sometimes it turns out to be too raw, and sometimes it is overripe. After that, we have to bring it home and cut it properly, which itself is a lot of work. Friends, cutting jackfruit is not easy at all. Your hands get sticky, the knife sticks, you have to apply oil, and even then, you must cut it very carefully. After that, we need to remove each seed one by one and separate only the soft pulp. Then we have to gather all the tools and ingredients for the juice: the mixer, glasses, spoons, milk or water, honey or sugar, ice cubes, and many times everything is not available at home, so we have to go to the market to buy things. Friends, making this juice is not just about preparing the juice, it is also about making the video. We have to set up the camera, check the lighting, place the mobile properly, and start and stop recording again and again. Many times the same scene has to be shot 2 or 3 times so that the video looks good. Friends, when we run the mixer, because of the noise, we have to record again. Sometimes the camera shakes, sometimes the voice is not clear. All these small things take a lot of time and effort. After the juice is ready, we pour it into glasses and decorate it nicely so that you enjoy watching the video. But friends, the work does not end here. After that comes the video editing work, cutting the video, removing unwanted parts, fixing the audio, sometimes adding music. All this work takes many hours to complete. Friends, after putting in so much hard work, when we upload the video, we hope to receive your love and support. But many times people watch the video till the end and still do not like, do not comment, and do not subscribe to the channel. Friends, we are not saying this as a complaint. We are just sharing our feelings from the heart. Your one like, one comment, and one share is a huge motivation for small creators like us. Friends, when you like the video, we feel that our hard work was worth it. When you comment, it motivates us to create better content. And when you share the video, our channel reaches more people. Friends, if you are new to our channel and watching our video for the first time, we humbly request you with folded hands. Please like the video, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to our channel. Friends, your one like, one comment, and one share helps our career move forward. This support gives us the strength to work even harder. Friends, on this channel, we will continue to bring you natural, healthy, and homemade food and drink videos. We always try to show simple recipes using minimum ingredients. Friends, this jackfruit juice is not only delicious, but also very healthy. It gives instant energy to the body, improves digestion, and keeps the body cool during summer. From children to elderly people, everyone can enjoy this juice. And when the whole family sits together and drinks homemade juice, the happiness is something special. Friends, today I will serve this fresh jackfruit juice to my entire family and friends. I am confident that everyone will love this juice because it contains not only taste, but also love and hard work. Friends, if you like this video even a little, or if you learned something from it, please make sure to like the video. Comment below and tell us how you like this juice and what recipe you want to see next. Friends, do not forget to share this video with your friends, your family, and in your WhatsApp groups. Your one share is a big help for us. Finally, friends, we sincerely thank you for taking out your valuable time to watch our video. Please keep supporting us by liking, commenting, and subscribing so that we can keep bringing more good videos for you. Thank you, friend. Come on, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make jackfruit juice, which is very tasty and refreshing. Drinking this juice gives energy to the body and makes it strong. Today I'll be serving fresh jackfruit juice to my whole family and friends. Friends, in the summer season, cold and natural foods are very important for our health, and jackfruit juice is one of them. It not only tastes great, but also strengthens the body from within. First, take a fresh and well-ripened jackfruit. Make sure it's not too raw so the juice turns out sweet and creamy. Now close the lid and blend well until the juice becomes smooth and thick. After blending, you can see how creamy and fragrant the juice looks. Pour the prepared juice slowly into glasses. Add ice cubes on top and, if you like, garnish with small jackfruit pieces. Don't forget like, comment, or subscribe for new updates.